Okay, today I went out to a spot. I found a few insulators. It's actually in the river. And I actually went out 2 days ago, but because of the hurricane Isaias, the water was still a little high, and it wasn't quite clear yet. But we've had 2 days of sunshine, so I went back out today. Visibility was much better, and I was able to find one. And it is a Woodall Tatum, company number 1. It's even still got a piece of the pin stuck in there. It's rotted away. And the other 3 that I found at this spot, I actually kayaked down the river. And the first 2 I found that day. I came back again and got another one. And then on the 3rd trip, I found the cut sections of the utility pole as well as the cross beam where the insulators would have been resting, and I counted 6 holes, so I'm still hoping there's 2 more out there somewhere. There's a lot of down trees, and it might take a good flood to get those moving down the water to get anything to show up. So I think this is going to be the last one I find at that spot this year. I may not go back until next spring, but I'm going to clean this thing up. I think it's going to be a good one. So I'm going to get the camera set up, and we're going to clean this thing. Alright, so in order to clean this thing, I'm going to let the water fill up a little bit, let it soak for a little while, and I'm going to be using Barkeeper's Friend and a Brillo pad. So I'm going to get the water turned on. Drain out first. Alright, we'll let that fill up. Barkeeper's Friend on there. Alright, I'll get back with you when the water fills up. Alright, I think we're ready to start cleaning this thing, so let's see what we got. Some rocks stuck in there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's going to be a nice purple color. That's what the other 3 were. I gotta get a pair of pliers to turn this thing out. Hang on a second. It's still tight. There it is. Got a little shell in there. Alright, I'm going to work on getting these stones out so I can get in that groove, and then I'm going to cut the camera off for that. But then I'm going to turn it back on here when I get this thing cleaned up and show you the end result. And here's the end result. Pretty clean. Still got a little more to do, but it's in really nice shape. It's got one little, let me find it, one little chip right there. Other than that, man, it is really good. I'll show you the other three. There's the other three, and the pin, I actually bought a group of insulators off Craigslist, and that pin was in it. But yeah, man, these are the only 4 insulators I've ever found intact, and they're all purple, amethyst, whatever you call it. That's pretty much it. I wish I had caught it on camera. I wish I had caught them all on camera, but I forgot my water pouch, so couldn't bring my phone with me. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.